Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Good boy, Charlie. Come here. Charlie, come. Come. Whoop. Whoop, sorry. I tripped over the leash. Good boy. Want to jump in the truck? Huh? You want to jump in the truck? So we have Charlie out here on the long line, and we're just practicing walking. And he's doing fantastic. Charlie, up, 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 come on, up, come on. Woo! Good boy, good boy. Come on, come. Charlie, come on, come on. Charlie, come. You like it up there? Huh? You like it up there? Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. All right, so there's a good look at what Charlie's doing this morning, and we're going to try to get some Archie videos going later on. Hopefully, let's see. It is Monday, and I'm posting this at whatever time it is right now, 9:30, and I'm betting these videos won't even load till about 9 o'clock tonight. I don't know what's going on with YouTube, but we will see you on the next one with Archie. Toodles.